Good afternoon. My name is Latia Washington. The city of Elizabeth is trying to put me and my kids out. We don't have nowhere to go. They told me I had to leave by 11 o'clock today. They tried to put me in a one-bedroom apartment in North Brunswick. I turned that down because me and my two kids cannot sleep in a one-bedroom. Then they offered me another apartment in South Jersey. That's too far for me and my kids to go. My kids go to school out here, doctors out here, and everything is out here. We don't have nowhere to go. Where me and my kids gonna go? Basically, we are homeless now if they put us out.